struggle, feeling the squeeze. Wanna save some cash and live with ease. Naomi is here, your money guide, helping you grow and turn the tide. Let's talk money, it's time to thrive on Rhythm 95.5. Budget, save, invest and win. Tune in, now let the wealth begin. Talk money with Naomi, only on Rhythm 95.5.
And wishing everyone a wonderful afternoon. Today is Tuesday, 4th of March, right here on Rhythm 95.5. We are going right in with Let's Talk Money. Our financial coach is on the inside.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk Money.
Hi, Naomi. Welcome back.
Yeah.
So we are continuing with our topic from last week.
That's right. We're
Okay.
continuing. We're in the tax season, so we're continuing with our topic on tax.
Okay, so what is our subtopic today?
So today we're looking at maximizing your tax refunds.
Ooh, okay, let's go.
So let me just start off by asking, did you know that many people miss out on money simply because they don't claim all the deductions and credits available to them?
No, I don't.
Probably you're missing out on some of
But
them.
I will be very honest. Tax season has not really always been something that has been like I've put too much thought behind. So this is like the first time where I'm actually having this type of conversation. Yes, we've
Okay.
done taxes before, but it has never been so in depth. So I appreciate that you are breaking it down for us right now.
Okay.
So let's go, let's learn.
Right. So basically, deducting tax deductions help reduce your taxable income,
Right.
meaning you pay less in taxes or get a bigger refund if you put in your right deductions. So
Okay.
deductions and credit, I'm gonna mention some deductions and credit that would allow you to be qualified for a refund or allow you to pay less.
Okay.
The first thing, which is off the bat, it's standard across the board. So standard tax-free allowance. Every taxpayer in Saint Lucia gets a standard personal allowance of 25,000 before taxes are calculated. So whatever income you make for the year, 25,000 from that will not be calculated. Will
Okay.
not be part of what they're calculating to charge you taxes
Okay.
because that's personal allowance.
Okay.
Then we have employment deductions. You have NIC. So whether you're self-employed or employed, well, self-employed should be paying their own NIC. And then if you're employed, they would be deducting NIC from you. So NIC contributes to your tax deductibles.
Okay.
So this can be deducted from your taxable income, lowering the amount of taxes you owe. So ensure you put it in.
Okay.
The other thing is your medical expenses. So we're looking at, you can claim 400 without receipts. But then if you don't have medical insurance, because you can also claim for your medical insurance, but if you don't have medical insurance, it's advisable that you hold your medical expense receipt. Whether you go to the doctor, you purchase prescriptions, you go for a procedure, you hold these receipts and put it in a safe folder. So when tax time come, you can present these receipts to get these medical expenses tax deductible.
Okay.
Then we also have mortgage interest deductions. So basically, you can claim up to 30,000 interest paid for the year. You can claim up to 30,000 as
Okay.
deductions. Education and training expense. So if you're paying education for your child, for a family member, you can claim that. You can also claim for your children.
Okay, and what would fall under this perhaps purchasing devices, or is it what when you say
It's mainly
education?
tuition.
Mainly tuition.
Yeah, you're
Okay.
looking at mainly tuition. Probably sometimes you may have to pay for some professional development courses or books. These mainly tuition
Okay.
that you would have paid, especially when the students are going to university.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Charitable donations.
Mm-hmm.
So donations made to registered charities, you need to ensure that the charity is registered in order for you to be able to claim these deductions.
Okay.
But you must have your receipts. So keep your receipts. For everything you do, keep your receipts. You need the receipts for you to prove that you paid.
Okay.
Yeah. For self-employed business persons, you they can put in their income and expense statements. So basically, their business-related expenses, rent for office space, business supplies, utility, marketing and advertising, vehicle expenses, all of that can go in when claiming.
Okay.
All of that can bring down the amount.
Okay.
We also want you to keep track of expenses that can be claimed. To claim deductions, you need to prove expense. Here's how to keep your tax records organized throughout the year. So the first thing you're going to do, instead of waiting for the new year and start looking for everything within your head from the beginning, keep all receipts and invoices. So you can store it digitally or the hard copy of the receipts, store it in a secure place. Your medical expense, the school fees, textbooks, your mortgage interest statements, your business-related purchases, charitable donations, whichever one you do, keep your receipts.
Okay.
So you maintain a tax folder, whether it's a digital tax folder or hard copy tax folder, you maintain a folder with all the necessary documents needed.
Okay.
Then for business places, it would be advisable that they use an app, accounting software or a spreadsheet where they track the income and expense. So that way it makes it easier at the end of the year to provide an income and expense report to claim your taxes. And when it comes to the time for taxes, at the end of the year, basically the beginning of the new year, you want to ensure that you have these documents. You ensure that you have your TD5 slip from your employer for persons working. You have all your statements, whether it's from your mortgage provider, your medical insurance, your credit union. You have, name it, you have all of them there. For persons that are self-employed, they need to go ahead and make sure they collect their NIC statement to prove what they've paid for the year. And then, like we say, if you do anything for donation to charity, pay education for a relative or your child,
Yes.
you get all these things together from the beginning of the year. So basically, in March 2025, we should have already have these documents and ready to file.
Okay.
Yeah. And consult a tax professional. So if you're unsure what deductions apply to what, consult a tax advisor like myself to ensure you're maximizing your refund. So you can reach out, whether it's on Instagram, on Facebook, via email or WhatsApp. You reach out and let me know that, okay, you mentioned these things, but I'm still having trouble ensuring that I have everything to go through with filing for taxes, and I will gladly walk you through the process.
All right.
Yeah. So filing tax doesn't have to mean overpaying. By understanding deductions, keeping track of your expenses, and filing correctly, you can maximize your refund and keep more of your hard-earned money.
Yeah. Of course. Yes, to that.
Yes. So if you find this episode was helpful, I'd advise you to share if you're listening. For those just logging in, you can always go on YouTube to review or on Instagram. And you can also reach me at 1758-384-4576 or on Instagram at Naomi758 with any of your tax-related questions or comments. So stay tuned till next week as we continue our journey towards financial clarity and success. Until next time, file smart and keep your money working for you.
Ooh. That's right. That's right.
Yes.
So, everyone, thank you so much for joining us. This has been Let's Talk Money right here on the Always Refreshing Rhythm 95.5. Again, Naomi, thank you so much for joining us.
Yes. Welcome.
Are you stuck in the struggle, feeling the squeeze? Wanna save some cash and live with ease? Naomi is here, your money guide, helping you grow and turn the tide. Let's talk